Hi, this is Sergio from the ClinicSense support team, and today I'll be showing you how you can add a practitioner. To get started, we'll need to click on the Setup button at the top right and then select Practitioners. Here, we're able to click on the green Add Practitioner button, where we'll be asked to input our practitioner's first and last name. Once added, we can begin to change our practitioner's information as well as edit their settings. First, we'll begin in the About tab. Here, you can upload a photo of the practitioner, which your clients will be able to see when they book a session with them. Additionally, you can input the practitioner's license number and tax ID for insurance purposes. Lastly, your practitioner will be able to add a signature, which can be done easily through a mobile phone or tablet. Next, I can move on to the Hours tab. Here, I'll be able to set my practitioner's start time and end time. I can either do one continuous shift like 9 to 5, or I can split my shift into two. For example, on Monday, maybe I would like to do from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. And then I'd like to go ahead and resume maybe at 2 p.m. all the way to 5 p.m. And you could do this for each one of the days. Next, we can continue over to the Services tab. Here, we can determine what services are offered by this specific practitioner. It could either be all services and all durations, or simply some services and some durations. Next, we'll continue to the Online Scheduling tab. Here, we'll be able to select if we would like to have our clients be able to book online with this practitioner, and we can even specify if this will be for new clients, existing clients, or both new and existing clients. Lastly, we can determine how we show our availability. And this is split up into three different options. The first being regular intervals. For example, you can show your time slots in 30-minute intervals like 3 p.m., 3:30 p.m., 4 p.m., and so on. Alternatively, I can set my availability to specific times. This means that I can set the time slots that I'd like to be shown to my clients. For example, maybe on Monday, I'd like to have my availability be set for 9 a.m., maybe 9:15 a.m., 9:30 a.m., and then so on and so forth. If I'd like to remove one slot, I can simply click on the drop-down and select Remove Time. The last option is to allow our clients to only be able to book immediately before or after an existing appointment. This means that on a completely open day, the first client who goes to schedule an appointment will have the liberty to choose their desired time. However, the next client will only be able to schedule before or after that appointment. This will make sure that there are no gaps in your schedule. Lastly, we can move on to the Account tab. Within the Account tab, we can establish if we'd like to grant access to our practitioner to be able to log into ClinicSense. If we allow them to log in, we can input the practitioner's email address as well as establish the permissions that they'll have available to them. This means that you'll have full control over what they can and cannot do. If you're creating a practitioner profile for yourself, you can choose the option This Is Me to ensure that you're scheduling appointments for yourself. We hope that helps, but if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Our email is support@clinicsense.com. Have a good one. Bye-bye.